while we're waiting for our potatoes to boil, we're going to start in on our vegetables. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our strainer and we're going to put it right inside the pan here. And what we want to have happen is that we want to steam all of these vegetables. We're going to reheat them later after we make a sauce. But for now we just want to steam them. So we'll separate everything and we'll go ahead and just cut off all of our florets and get rid of the stems. And if things fall apart like that, I would just discard them. You want to have a nice sized floret. Right now, I'm going to add the frozen vegetables first. And then I'm going to top that with our broccoli.